In this video, I'm going to show you how to say winter in different languages. If you are new here, my name is Dee and I create content on personal development. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first one we have is 冬天, which is winter in Mandarin Chinese. 冬天, 冬天. The next one, winter in Italian. Inverno, 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 inverno. And what about winter in Spanish? Invierno, 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 invierno. Okay, so moving on to the next one, winter in German. Der Winter, der Winter, der Winter, der Winter. The next one we have winter in French. L'hiver, 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 l'hiver. And finally we got winter in Japanese, which you got to do it very, very quickly, okay? For you, for you, for you, for you. So that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you either enjoyed it or find it useful. And I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.